Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I will be showing you how to remove random objects in the back. So I currently have this image that have some clutter in the back that I want to remove, and one of the great things about Canva is there are multiple ways to do this, and I will show you all the different ways. So the first way is to click on the image and go to Edit. Here you'll see the Magic Studio, and there are a few options where you can remove things from the background. The easiest one right now could be, if you're looking to just focus on this, is to actually do background remover. When you do this, everything is removed in the background and you can actually change it to a completely new background. So if I were to just want this cleared off and I want to add a new background, I can do that. Let's search background and I can use this as a background, set image as background, and I will have full image here, very clear without any clutter in the background. So another way to do this is to actually use a different tool. You can go into Edit and go into something called the Magic Grab. And you can actually grab everything that you want and grab. And then now you have this detached from your background also. Say you want to keep background that you have right now, but just clean up the clutter, you can also go into Edit and go into Magic Eraser and erase things in the background. So you have the option of using a brush, or you can use click. And click is better for things that are more well defined. So you can click on items that you want to erase. So we can try erasing this one first. There might be some residual um, things in the back. You can try doing it multiple times. And now it's a little bit blurry, or you can even do the brush if it's not to your liking. I can even take these off. Erase. Now, doing it this way might not be the best because it will try to blend everything in the background, but it does a good job of trying to keep everything the same color. So now if you actually zoom out, it doesn't look that bad. And another way to remove random objects is to use Magic Grab again. So this time, instead of grabbing the stuff in front, you can also try and grab things in the back. So you can try grabbing that and pulling it away and deleting it. And if it doesn't work, this might be something you have to do a couple of times. Delete. So it's getting lighter, and we can try that again, or you can try and use the magic eraser and smooth that out for now. But let's try and see how far we can go with this. I want to grab that one and delete. So this one might be a little harder, and we will do that again. And delete. So at this point, it seems like it's harder to just grab the background stuff and delete it. So we will use the brush. and that seemed to have done pretty well. But my favorite tool is actually using either the magic background remover for a crisp image and then setting a new background, or a magic grab with this, or you can go with the magic eraser and erase your current background. I hope this tutorial helped, and I will see you in the next one.